the 26B Standard Sports Bra PDF pattern preview, starting with the cover page, which also has a test square so you can confirm you've printed your pattern correctly. Let's move on to page 1, which has the regular U back band, and at the bottom we have part of the racer back band, which I decided to add on so that you have a racer back band option. On page 2 we have one shoulder strap and the rest of the racer back band, as well as part of the adjustable Velcro strap option. Onto page 3 we have the right outer cup pattern, which also has a frame, and then we have the center front cup patterns. We have two options here, one that will be cut for the zip and one fold option. And then on page 4 we have the zipper tab, another shoulder strap which will tape to the front pattern, and then the rest of the adjustable Velcro back shoulder strap, since it fits on 2 pages. At the bottom of that page we have the decorative center front pieces, which are optional for the unfold option and the zipper option. And then on the last page we have a pattern layout guide so that you can tape the patterns that occupy 2 pages correctly. Check out the pattern, it's absolutely free. It will be linked in the description box below. I'll also link the collection page in case 26B isn't your size. You can find your size in there so you can sew yourself a sports bra before this summer. Share this with someone who'd enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Come back next week for the next